the future and the vision for health. Montego Bay, help me to welcome Dr. Christopher Tufton.
Thank you very much, thank you very much. Yes, I hear said them I looked for me last night, like say me missing or something. Well, I want to report to them I'll be there Tuesday evening, live and direct, to whip them with my finance minister and my education minister. The Labour Party policy is better for Jamaica, and Jamaicans know that. Labour rights. So much to say and so little time to say it, so we're not going to say everything here. That's why our manifesto is not an event. It is a series of events. So today we launch, tomorrow we're going to talk about it, the days to come we're going to talk about it, and we're going to ensure that all stakeholders who must know about what the future looks like under Labour Party government will get that. What we're not going to do is launch our manifesto in an air-conditioned hotel room with some Tapanaris people as if at them one matter. You, the people, matter, starting right here in Sam Sharp Square and across the length and breadth of Jamaica.
Jamaica, nobody for stone, nobody fight, it is a feeling and labor right.
And I tell you something. Those who don't respect the intelligence of the average Jamaican man, let me say we, the Labour Party people, respect everybody. We know you have the ability to listen and to understand. We know you have the ability to know what is in your best interest and what is just an opportunistic position that the PNP take. We know that you know when promises don't mean nothing, but hard work and results, like the Labour Party has shown, mean everything. And that's why the Labour Party deserves a third term. This manifesto, by the way, this is the mother, the father, and the children of all manifestos. We don't need to relaunch no baby manifesto like what the other people they must say. They must go launch another manifesto. Obviously, they don't have no confidence in the first one that they will launch in the first place. I want to just say a few things quickly in 5 minutes or less. In 2015, and I want you to listen to me carefully, if you knew someone who had lung cancer, cervical cancer, colorectal cancer, or multiple myeloma, all in the cancer category, the big C that everybody fear. If you had somebody or knew somebody who had those cancers in 2015 under the PNP, dog, nyam, you suffer. You'd have to find the money to buy the medication to treat those persons, even if you had access to the hospital system. Today, under the Jamaica Labour Party and the National Health Fund, if you are unfortunate to know somebody with that condition, all medication are free to those people and their families to give them an opportunity to be the best that they can be. And there's more to come. In fact, if you have lupus, sickle cells, Parkinson's disease, thyroid disease, or attention deficit disorder, all diseases that affect people's lives, in 2015 under the PNP you get no help. In 2025 under the Jamaica Labour Party and the NHF, you show your NHF card and you get free medication. We care about the people of Jamaica and we respond to the needs of the people of Jamaica. In fact, your friendly NHF pharmacist is now in 128 locations across the length and breath of Jamaica. Under the PNP in 2015, less than 100 outlets were there and they were limited in their offerings. Today, you have an NHF pharmacy or a drug serve window just down the road or by taxi. You can go and get your free medication under this JLP government. And guess what? In this manifesto, we care about our golden ages. We care about those who are 60 years old and more. Those who have worked hard to build this country. When them reach a certain age and can't work again, the government must help to look after them if they can't look after themselves. That is why this manifesto has a national health insurance that we will roll out in the next 5 years for those who are 60 years and over. PNP can't do that. They don't understand it. We understand it because we care for the benefits of the Jamaican people. Health centers are the backbone. Every Jamaican who born know about the health center down the road from them. In every community. Under the PNP, they have been left neglected. Some of them have doctors, some don't. Some have doctor 1 time a week, some 2 times a week. This manifesto recognizes the importance of our community health centers. We are going to roll out in the next term 5 days a week doctor in health center that only have 2, and those who don't have, we are going to put a doctor in those health centers to care for people in their communities.
We do so much already, now we do it. We do it. Jamaica Labour Party, yes we do it.
And when it comes to hospital, I'm soon done. When it comes to hospital, it is this Labour Party government under Andrew Holness that has embarked on the largest hospital upgrade in the history of this country's independence. Them talk about Cornwall Regional, them mash up Cornwall Regional. We are building it back as a new hospital for the people of Western Jamaica. And over the next 6 months, you will walk into the new Cornwall Regional Hospital, and if your children sick, you will walk into the new Western Child and Adolescent Hospital. Western Jamaica will have the largest concentration of hospital beds, doctors and services and anywhere else in the Caribbean under your Labour Party government. That's a commitment that is in our manifesto. And if anybody is here from my parish of St. Catherine, I want to ask you a simple question. When last you ever see 2 cranes? You know what a crane is? One high-rise something, we build high-rise building. When last have you seen 2 cranes in one place in Spanish Town? Well, if you go to Spanish Town Hospital, you see crane after crane after crane building a 6-story building at the Spanish Town Hospital. Your government doing that.
Labour Party a become Jamaica. We ever want to Jamaica. We never let Jamaica.
The people of Jamaica are not making any mistake when they give us the 3rd term when it comes to hospital build out. Because in our manifesto, the next stop will be the Kingston Public Hospital. We are going to build a new hospital at the Kingston Public Hospital.
For you and your community, we will build up Jamaica by support.
And I know Brother Desmond love to hear that. I want to tell him, say, if we do it with Western Child, if we do it with Cornwall, reassurance, we are going to do it with the Kingston Public Hospital. We already secured the land. And those who want to stop the parish of Portmore and claim, say, We need hospital services. We already have the land in the Bernard Lodge area to build a new hospital for the parish of Portmore under this Labour Party government.
JLP cares for Jamaica. Come on, come on, come on, come on.
I close by saying to you and the people out there in TV and radio land, if you read the 206 achievement document that we distributed 140 copies of, 140,000 copies, and if you have felt some benefit from the Jamaica Labour Party under Andrew Holness, whether it is medication, whether it is new road, whether it is water in your community, whether it is education grant, whether it is student loan, no interest. If we did it before, we can do it again. We will do it again. Labour Party doing it better for you. Show our labour rights. Come out on the 3rd of September.
Jamaica Labour Party, yes, we doing more. JLP doing more. Labour Party, JLP doing more. Let's go. I'm a Barbie and free Jamaica.
Kamina, I read somewhere. Whoa. Excellent, excellent.
Really.
By Minister Tufton, Minister of Health. Let's send up that applause for Minister Christopher Tufton. And Mobe, the reason I'm sending an extra special big up for Minister Tufton, it could not have been easy to have been the Minister of Health navigating us through the COVID-19 pandemic. And trust me, Tuffy take it on like a big man, the man under the COVID pandemic. Big up yourself, Minister Christopher Tufton. And you know, Minister Johnson Smith, I read somewhere that someone said that patients are sometimes poorly treated by broken, frustrated, and overworked staff that have been transformed into clock watchers, dying for an opportunity to leave for greener pastures. Now that to me, that is a strong endorsement of the government coming from the PNP opposition spokesman on health. Greener pastures can only be found over the Jamaica Labour Party. Show a Labour rights.
Choose Jamaica for better communities. Choose Jamaica for our prosperity. Choose Jamaica.
So, Minister Johnson Smith, I'm asking a question that I know that the people in St. Catherine Northeastern and other Jamaicans want to ask. We feel, say, something else dead in the manifesto. Tell us what else is there.
Nothing's dead. Take care. Enough things. We have so much to present, my Jamaican family. There's so many things in the manifesto that you will love. That we have to pull out 100 highlights. 100 highlights of the I Choose Jamaica next chapter. You have to go online now to check it out until you get your copy. But we want you to see that there is something in there for everyone. I won't have the time to share it with you tonight though, because we have some heavy hitters coming later. And some of them may well talk about things that are in here, because we have Dr. Horace Chang, who is also Deputy Prime Minister and Minister of National Security. We have Edmund Bartlett coming to speak to us. We have the Bun Bad Mind, Darrell Vaz, coming to speak to us. And of course, we have Dr. the Most Honorable Andrew Michael Holness, who will have things to share with you. So I just want to remind you, everyone here at home and online, everyone overseas in our Jamaican communities, when you look at the care that we have taken to plan and share our plans with you. And when you take a check on the other side, you must know, you can tell who truly respects you, who truly loves you, who truly chooses Jamaica, and who is ready to lead this country that we love. The other side will have to wheel and come again, and I understand they plan to try tomorrow. We don't know what they will come with, whether it's a manifesto light or a manifesto late. But whatever it is, we are sure they're going to try to come with some promises to trick you, to try to trick you to get your vote. But our manifesto is well thought out. It's intended to build on our achievements, as you have been hearing, to do even more for you because we respect you and we love our country. And we hope you'll join us online for our media launch when we will unveil the next step in our Choose Jamaica journey ahead of the September 3 general elections. Labour Party, you can be proud of your team. You can be proud of your government. Thank you for your support. The JLP is an A team. We would never copy from the F+ team. So you must send them a message that they must wheel and come again. Choose what works for you. Share it with a friend. Download it and send to your friends and family. The next chapter is the Jamaica we've always wanted. It is the Jamaica that we choose. On September 3rd, my Jamaican family, put your X beside the bell.
Choose Jamaica for better communities. Choose Jamaica for our prosperity. Choose Jamaica, this is what it really means. Choose Jamaica, choose JLP. Yes, we're building a better future together. Stay true no matter the weather. JLP standing tall through every plan like school and love. From hardships to hope, we've been paving the way. The very best of Jamaica starts today. And so we pledge our hearts to...
Mobe, what a presentation. What a presentation. We thank Minister Kamina Johnson-Smith, a competent chairperson for the